Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be eating some more Portillos. We're going to get I ordered something a little bit different from the menu today. Went ahead and ordered the chicken sandwich, the beef with the cheese sauce, and then also ordered a double cheeseburger because I really loved it from the last time. So let's open that up for you guys to see what we have here. Hope you guys are doing good today, having a good day today. Let's grab these items and let's put them out here for you guys to see. Look at that. That looks delicious, doesn't it? That looks delicious. Let's get some fries in there. Get some beef right there. I don't think my camera is showing all the food properly. Let me lean that down a little bit. All right, much better. So this time with the beef, we said we were gonna put some cheese sauce on it. It's an item they offer on the menu, and I'm like, you know what? Never done it before. Let's give it a shot. That thing looks delicious already. Also, obviously, last time I had the fries dipped. Look at that beef, guys. That beef is dipped in cheddar cheese. That is absolutely delicious. We had the chicken sandwich. Also delicious. And last time I had Portillo's, I had their double cheeseburger. This time I added some bacon to it. This double cheeseburger, man, is one of the best I've had. Put a little bit of cheese on that. Absolutely delicious. Let's get that beef again. Wow. I'm at a loss for words. I'm a big Italian beef fan. I've never had it with the cheese. I think it's kind of sacrilegious. It's almost like when people put ketchup on their hot dog debate. I don't think you should put cheese on your beef, but this thing is really good with it. Will I keep eating it like that? I don't know. I might. Piece of bacon here. Sorry about that. I might eat it like this, I might not, I don't know. But it is really good though. Chicken sandwich. This thing is soft. It's not dry. The right amount of mayonnaise on there. It's really good for a chicken sandwich. Not the best. I'm not a chicken sandwich connoisseur or anything. But not a chicken connoisseur or anything, but I will say, sorry about that, I will say that that burger is top notch. Man, it's so good. Now, regarding this chicken sandwich, I will say that, hold on for 1 second. I will say that I remember liking Chick-fil-A more. Let's dip some of these fries in here for the camera, guys. Look at that. Let's get that in there. I do think Chick-fil-A's chicken sandwiches are better than the Portillo one. One thing I will say about the beef, it's really good with the cheese. However, it does take away the kick from the hot peppers. I put hot peppers on this. Usually I only put the sweet peppers. Today I put the hot peppers on it. And I do feel a little bit of the kick, but that cheese kind of takes away some of the kick. Let's get that in there, guys. Oh man, look at that. That thing is dripping now. Oh man, this really hits the spot. If any of you are keeping track of my weight loss journey, I lost another pound. It took a little bit longer than usual. So I have been starving for something like this for a few days now. But man, is it worth it. thing is so delicious. That cheese in there. Mmm. Mmm. Mm-mm. This is really good. Doesn't make me want to slap anybody's mama, but it is really good though. Mmm. Amazing. Wish I could, if you guys have never had Portillo's or you don't have Portillo's in your area, I'm sorry for you guys, but if we're ever out and about in the world, please stop in. Get you a beef sandwich. Mmm. Get you a beef sandwich. Get you a double cheeseburger. Get you a hot dog, a Polish hot dog. You will not be disappointed. Mmm. I try not to kill plants. There's lettuce here, unfortunately, but I'm purely meat. Oh, wow. I'm just about stuffed. I gotta make room for this beef though. That is so cheesy. Oh my God. Mmm. Mmm. Mm-mm-mm. Let's get a napkin. I feel messy. Oh, you guys, this has been such a good meal. Hope you guys are eating good meals too. Or if you're not eating good meals, then at least you can enjoy this meal with me. But that's going to do it for today, guys. Join me in the next one, whenever that might be. Join me in the next episode, Johnny Craves. We'll see what we're craving next, all right? Peace.